Are you a Ford owner in St. Louis? When it's time for service, choosing the right place is essential. Suntrup Ford Westport is a Ford-authorized service center located at 2020 Kratky Road, ready to meet your vehicle's needs. You might wonder, what does Ford Certified Service mean? It signifies that our technicians are factory-trained and use genuine Ford OEM parts. This ensures quality work, especially if your vehicle is still under warranty. Our service department operates Monday to Friday from 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. Need an appointment? With our online scheduling tool, you can book 24/7. We also offer same-week appointments, perfect for your busy life. For added convenience, we provide Ford Pickup and Amp delivery service for eligible customers. We'll pick up your vehicle from your home or office and return it post-service. Additionally, if you prefer service at your location, our Ford Mobile service sends technicians directly to you. So what services do we offer? From routine maintenance like oil changes and tire rotations to complex diagnostics, we handle it all. Our certified technicians ensure every service is performed with OEM parts, maintaining your vehicle's integrity. We also specialize in warranty and recall repairs, which must be completed at a Ford-authorized center. Suntrup Ford Westport stands out in the St. Louis area for many reasons. Our certified experts and advanced diagnostic tools lead to quicker, more accurate repairs. Plus, our commitment to customer convenience sets us apart. Don't wait until your next service is due. Schedule your appointment with Suntrup Ford Westport today. Visit our website or call us at 314-897-7299. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your Ford is in expert hands. Let's keep your vehicle running smoothly.